Welcome back to the AB Car Info. The 2026 Ford Tourneo Connect MPV is a refined and versatile vehicle designed to cater to families and professionals alike. Building upon the strengths of its predecessor, the new model introduces subtle yet impactful changes that elevate its practicality and comfort. As a compact MPV, it strikes an ideal balance between spaciousness and maneuverability, making it equally suitable for city driving and longer journeys. The exterior styling sees a modern refresh with sleeker lines, a bolder front grille, and updated LED lighting that adds a touch of sophistication while maintaining a utilitarian appeal. Inside, the Tourneo Connect impresses with a flexible and well-thought-out cabin. The materials used are of higher quality than previous models, with soft touch surfaces and smart detailing that give the interior a more premium feel. The seating layout remains as adaptable as ever, offering 5 or 7-seat configurations depending on the variant. All seats, including the third row, offer decent space for adult passengers, which is a key strength of this MPV. For those needing to prioritize cargo over passengers, the rear seats fold flat to create a large, uninterrupted load area. Under the hood, the 2026 model continues to offer a range of efficient engines, including petrol, diesel, and mild hybrid options. Ford has also hinted at a plug-in hybrid variant joining the lineup later in the model cycle, in response to growing demand for low-emission vehicles. The driving experience is notably improved thanks to a reworked suspension setup that enhances ride comfort and stability. Steering remains light but precise, making the Tourneo easy to handle in tight urban settings while still feeling composed on the motorway. Technology plays a more central role in this version. The dashboard features a new, larger touchscreen running Ford's latest Sync infotainment system, which includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims benefit from a digital instrument cluster and additional driver assistance features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and traffic sign recognition. Safety remains a priority, and the Tourneo Connect comes equipped with multiple airbags, improved structural integrity, and a 5-star Euro NCAP safety rating. The 2026 model also brings thoughtful additions that enhance everyday usability. These include an available panoramic sunroof, USB-C charging points for all rows, and clever storage solutions spread throughout the cabin. Noise insulation has been improved to make the cabin quieter, which contributes to a more relaxing driving experience. Fuel economy figures remain competitive for its class, especially in diesel and hybrid versions, making it a cost-effective option for families and fleet operators. Overall, the Ford Tourneo Connect 2026 delivers a well-rounded package that combines practicality, comfort, and modern features. While it may not be the flashiest vehicle on the road, it excels in the areas that matter most to MPV buyers: space, reliability, and adaptability. Its subtle upgrades for 2026 ensure it remains a strong contender in the compact MPV segment, appealing to those who need a do-it-all vehicle without compromising on comfort or technology.